Hello everyone, I am Sanji and welcome to my garden here in Ireland. In today's video we're gonna be potting these lovely strawberry plants. Why we're gonna be doing this? Because I bought these strawberries from the supermarket and I just paid €7 in this basket, €7 in this basket, and in which one they are 4 plants on this and probably 4 in this as well. 5 plants in this one, and these plants are struggling in this pot. They already have some flowers, some strawberries here, but it's just a little space for too much plants. They are totally dry, and I want to be using my compost for be potting these. I'm gonna leave just 2 strawberries in this pot, 2 strawberry in this pot, and I'm gonna use one of my pots that I have here. So let's make a home for these strawberries, because I think in 1 week or two I will be eating these lovely strawberries from a supermarket store. So let's go. So first thing that I'm gonna be doing is putting some perlite in this compost. I already have some perlite in this compost, but because I want my strawberry to be really drained, I will be adding a little bit more. I already have some perlite and vermiculite in this compost, so I think we're gonna have a good drainage for this strawberry. Another thing that I want to do is to put this soil from the strawberry mixed in this one, so they will not suffering when they be repotted. Let me just attach these hangers from here and make my life a little bit easier. I don't want to break this because I still want to hanger them. All right, one, it's good. Let me get my little seat here. I don't want to make this thing wrong, so look at this root. I thought this was struggling more, but look that it's very healthy here. I could leave them in this pot, but I don't really want. This is right for a strawberry in a 30 centimeter, but for me it's too much. I prefer them to have more room for move and everything. So I'm gonna be transplanting each plant. One, and there is loads of runners here. I already saw them. 2, 3. These plants are from our runner. This one, we have 2 plants coming from our runner. Let me put this camera close. I am here in my workstation. Here we have this big strawberry here, and we have one runner here and one runner here, and I can make 2 extra plants from them. That's amazing. That's such an amazing thing. Let me get my scissor. Now I am always losing my scissor, but I found this one. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna cut here. And here we have the first runner. That's amazing. Let me leave the runner here. And the second runner, let me cut right here. And here we are. Here we are. Look at the second runner. It's so amazing, isn't it? This one we're gonna have a single pot as well. So that's it. Let me be cleaning all of this, because I want to mix this soil into the new soil, so they will not shock when I transplant them. I can see more runners, few more runners. We're gonna be treating them now. Mixing all this together, and now we're gonna be transplanting these little babies. I'm gonna be using this pot. There is a good drainage here. And here I will be putting just 2 plants here, one in each corner. So 1 in here. I don't really know with 2 plants it's a good idea, but I think it is. I wanted to be putting these guys in one raised bed, but I am running out of compost at this stage. So this is gonna be enough for them. And let me get one small plant to be putting here. Okay, I will get this runner here. All right, not bury this thing. Oh Jesus, I am so afraid to be planting the runners because I am very afraid to bury them and kill the plant, you know. I'm very afraid to do this. I think this is enough. Yeah, this guy will survive. This guy will gonna make it. Here, first one, it's done. That's the first one. Let's go to the second. These 2 I'm gonna keep in the hanging. I'm gonna keep them here. I could cut the root system, but I don't want to do this. I want to keep them as they are. Maybe it's a good idea to cut them. That's good. That's pretty good. I can see loads of runners here, but I don't wanna take it off these runners now. I'm gonna be putting them in. I'm gonna put one pot here at the side of this hanging basket, and I will put these runners in this little cup because this plant are going through a lot of stress with me transplanting them and new soil, new everything. So I don't want to stress these guys more than they need to be stressed. We cannot bury the strawberry. We have to protect everything. That's nice. Beautiful. Just beautiful. That's the second one. Look at this beautiful. And this one will come in here close to the neighbor. I am really running out of compost, guy. After plant loads of veg, flowers, fruits, and everything, one time the compost just finish. And this is the time for me. I have no more compost at moment. But this week I'm gonna buy some more because I have some strawberries to be transplanting. No, I have some tomatoes to be transplanting. So I have to go to the market and buy some. This one goes to a little pot. I'm gonna put them in a little pot. Leave this one here. Let's go for the second one. 3. All right. Too big. Oh, this is a much better compost. Much better. Look, I see one runner here. 1, 2. One runner there with a root system. One more here with a really good root system. This one. This. That's amazing, isn't it? This we're gonna have a little pot as well. This one as well already has a little root here. Weed. All right. Amazing. This guy have a very good compost. This one has a shit one, but this one has a very good. Have one more running here, very close to the plant here. All the runners who already has a root system, I am taking it off. The ones who doesn't have, I will not take it off yet because I want them to develop a root system. This one have a runner right here, but these runners are so good, then I will keep it and I will feed that plant better. All right, very good. Very, very good. I need put more perlite here. Just a little bit more. Don't need to be too much. Let's start with this one. This one is so beautiful, Jesus. Okay, here on this size. Then I can apply a moot of straw. And second one, it's gonna be this one. One in each corner. More than perfect. The last two ones, we're gonna be here. Perfect. So we had 2, 4. Oh my God, I didn't finish this one. Anyway, I have to get more compost at home to be finishing this one. Oh, I can put them in a single pot here. Sorry, guy. I'm so sorry. Why did I do that? Tell me. There is a root system in that runner. I'm gonna be taking them as well. Here, has their own pot. That's amazing. Such a beautiful thing, isn't it? Here. All right. And now we're gonna give these guys. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 runners and counting because I have more here. I don't know, here. One more here that has root. This one I'm gonna put here, and they can develop the root system. Yeah, before I get them, I catch you. And these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little guys, I'm gonna be putting them in pots so they can develop better. Not this one, the small ones. Now we're gonna be putting some straw in these strawberries. Straw. This straw also come from a local farm, so I'm very happy to be using them. It's a very good straw, protecting these guys from be reaching the soil. Perfect. I can be applying more. One, it's okay. My strawberries, in my raised bed of strawberries, they are looking amazing, beautiful. But I don't have room for more over there. Next season, I'm gonna be extending my strawberry bed, my strawberry raised bed, because it's something that I eat a lot. I love them, and I love this challenging cultivation thing about strawberries, because we have to protect them from the birds, we have to protect them from the cats here in my garden. And this is challenge. I love one challenge. Now these 2 plants here. One thing that I love about this straw is they are not white, because the white straw, they can reflect, the light can reflect on them and come back to the flower, to the plant, and kind of burn the plant. So this is black, so this is very, very good. But we don't have too much sun at moment here. But I think next month it's gonna be our month. It's gonna be very warm. In the name of Jesus, I feel like an artist. I feel like an artist doing this kind of job, because we take care with so much kindness and love, just like one artist painting, one artist doing one sculpture, and this is beautiful. I think this is such a beautiful thing. The last one here. That's amazing! Let me put all of them together. Look all the strawberries that we got. Look all this strawberry that we have from just 14 euros. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plants of strawberry. All of them has flowers, little strawberries, and I have 5, 6 runners with root. So I will be planting this one in little pots. And I also has loads of runners in these ones here that I will be cleaning later. But now I already applied some mulch in this one. I'm gonna be hanging this in my polytunnel, and in 1 week or two, I will be eating these lovely strawberries. I'm so happy with them. So now I'm gonna be watering these babies, hanging these baskets, and this one, it's gonna be inside my polytunnel. So if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe on the channel, and I see you on the next video.